In this video, you can learn how to create an order. Just click on Order section in sidebar. First, click on Actions button and choose Add Order. As you know, you can order from our products, as well as products from other websites, such as Alibaba, AliExpress, or Amazon. To choose your desired product from other sites, first copy or write its name. Define the quantity and then copy the link of product and paste it in the relevant section. Now wait for our colleagues to register the final price in your panel. Here you can see the products added to my products, and you can add any of them to your order. And then click on Confirm button. For each variant, you need to specify the quantities of your order. After selecting all products, enter the order information. You need to fill all the asterisk fields. Then click on the Save button. After receiving the green message, your order has been registered successfully. By selecting any of the registered orders, you can perform other actions on it, such as cancel, use your stock, upload order, and so on. We hope this video was helpful for you. As you can see, just enter the amount of price and click on Confirm button.